Want to start your own online business in 2025, but don't have any money? You're not alone. Thousands of freelancers and solopreneurs are looking for ways to launch without expensive software, websites, or ads. And the good news? You can start with $0 today if you use the right tools and strategies. Here's the truth. Most online business advice starts with telling you to buy expensive platforms. $97 per month for funnels, $50 for email tools, $30 for hosting, and suddenly, you've spent $200 plus before you've made a dime. For freelancers and solo founders, that's just not realistic. You need to build lean, fast, and free, without sacrificing quality. That's why I made this video, to walk you through exactly how to start an online business in 2025 with no budget, no coding, and no team. To launch lean, you only need 3 things: a landing page or funnel to capture interest and leads, a way to collect emails and follow up automatically, a way to sell something, a service, product, or offer. Most platforms make you pay separately for each, but there's one tool that does it all: Systeme.io. And it's 100% free to start. Let's start at the beginning. What are you selling? If you're a freelancer, package your skill as a service. Maybe it's design, writing, video editing, or marketing. Create one starter offer. Example: basic logo package for $99, or one-page website setup for $199. If you're a solopreneur, turn your knowledge into a digital product, like a guide, checklist, ebook, or mini course. You don't need a full course platform. You can sell files or videos, and Systeme.io lets you host them for free. The key is, keep it simple. One offer, one audience. Now that you have your offer, it's time to build your funnel. And this is where most people go wrong. They use tools that are bloated, complicated, or expensive. Systeme.io solves this. It's an all-in-one tool built for people just like you, solopreneurs who want a clean, simple business system. With the free plan, you get 3 funnels, 1 custom domain, unlimited email automation, a course or product area, and even blog hosting if you want to start building content. To build your funnel, use a template inside Systeme.io. Add your offer details and call to action. Set up your email automation. Hit publish. Done. You'll have a working business funnel in under an hour. No coding, no hidden fees. Once your funnel is live, you need traffic. But again, no money means no paid ads. Here are 3 smart, free ways to drive traffic. Answer questions on Reddit and Quora. Link to your free guide or offer in your profile. Post short-form content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Share quick tips tied to your niche, and include your funnel link in your bio. Use Facebook groups. Join communities where your audience hangs out. Give value and invite people to check out your free resource or service. This is how you build your business without spending money on ads. Why Systeme.io is the best option in 2025. Now you might be wondering, why Systeme.io over something like ClickFunnels, Mailchimp, or Kajabi? Here's why. ClickFunnels charges $97 to $297 per month. Systeme.io starts at $0. Kajabi is built for advanced course creators. Too complex for beginners. Mailchimp charges more and only handles emails. Systeme.io is clean, beginner-friendly, and gives you everything you need. Not just one piece. Funnels, email, products, automation. All inside one dashboard. Built for freelancers, solopreneurs, and creators who don't want bloat. They want action. So if you're ready to start your online business with no money, no hassle, and no fluff, try it free. Link in bio and description. Systeme.io is the platform I use and recommend because it lets you launch without limits. You don't need a team. You don't need a big budget. You just need one tool and one step. Your business starts today.